Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and I bought me some Kingroon filament. This is a nylon filament. I'm going to be using this for an upcoming project where I needed something really strong and wear resistant. Anyways, they say you can use this stuff up to 290 degrees. They say starting at 250. Well, I've been doing a calibration test here, and yeah, bad layer adhesion, all that blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so I turned the temperature up to 290 Fahrenheit, and it seems that it adhered to my bed on the K1C, and I'm gonna pull out the calibration tabs and get a better look at this filament. Nylon is definitely one of the harder filaments to print. It's hydroscopic, it likes to get water, it doesn't want to stick, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's definitely on an advanced level, but decided to give it a shot. Let's check these out. So these are calibration tabs, and these are used to get the flow rate for any particular material you're using. So I can tell right away up here at the top, that's not a very good flow rate. Go ahead and pop these off here real quick. So definitely not that one. Definitely sticking to the thing as now. And not that one either, that looks bad. That one don't look so good. So yeah, this flow rate test is something you want to do to pretty much any new filament that you're messing around with. So yeah, at 290 Celsius, I'm getting very good layer binding there. So yeah, pretty much just got to calibrate my flow rate now. Nice. So yeah, this is like the 5th try. I started at 250 and sort of working my way up, and go ahead and get in here and turn the fan off real quick because kind of obnoxious. There we go. Just scrubbing the air for me. So I think I'm going to go with my -15 here for my first test plate, and just go ahead and inspect it. Just using one of the close layers. Yeah, 15 definitely looks better than -10 here. So definitely strong stuff. Let's give it a full bend back. And that's what I was looking for. Nylon doesn't usually snap. It's kind of a little bit in between like PLA and a TPU. So it's flexible and stiff. Nice. I definitely recommend this filament. Seems to be good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and try to print my more complex model out of it. And if I like it, I'll upload this video. We've got a little bit of stringing going on here. May have this temperature just slightly too high. Let's pull off the support, see how this looks. Bottom is not perfect, but I don't actually need it to be. Not too sure what happened there. So have a great day, and this has been Shoppable Madness by Eric Tennant.